Welcome to our channel Credence Investments. Technology-driven mutual funds research and advisory. Today, we are excited to kick off a new monthly series where we are going to compare the monthly returns of all large-cap category mutual funds. Please subscribe to our channel as we'll be uploading these comparisons on a monthly basis, so stay tuned for regular updates. Let's get started. We are going to do a comparison of monthly percentage returns from 1st July 2024 to 31st July 2024 of all mutual funds under large cap category. Here is a comprehensive report for all funds under equity large cap category for the specified month, 1st July 2024 to 31st July 2024. The category average for this period is 3.591%. The category average percentage is calculated as average of percentage returns of all large cap mutual funds listed below. For reference, we've also included the Nifty 100 index fund return and the Nifty 50 index fund return for the same period to see how the all large cap funds performed against these indices. Now, let's move on to the report. The columns include all large cap fund names, the launch date of these funds which indicate the date of the first available NAV data for these funds available with us. Next columns are the NAV from 1st July 2024 to 31st July 2024. And the percentage return of each fund during this period. The report is sorted with the large cap funds that had the highest returns during this period at the top, Taurus Large Cap Equity Fund 6.09%. Let's go through the percentage returns of all large cap funds category in descending order of their returns percentage. The fund's return percentage highlighted in red could not beat the category average of 3.591% during this month. We have a total of 30 funds direct plan in the large cap category in this report. The last fund on the report, Union Large Cap Fund, gave the least return for this month. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. Like, comment and share for more videos on mutual funds research and analysis.